So we're supposed to do the respiratory system quiz. It says draw and name the structures and functions of the respiratory system. Using a drawing, explain how gases are exchanged in respiratory system. This explanation should include the diffusion of CO2 and O2 in the alveoli and the tissue level. In addition, explain the importance of red blood cells. So we're going to start off with the red blood cells so I can get the pictures last and do it all. So hypoglycemia is the protein inside the red blood cells that carries oxygen. Red blood cells also remove carbon dioxide from the body, transporting it to the lungs for you and I to exhale. Red blood cells are made inside your bones, so it's in the bone marrow. They typically live about 120 days and then they die. So basically, they keep you alive. You know, they're essential for you to live. They take the carbon dioxide out of you, and then they carry oxygen. Is what I'm assuming that is trying to say. So the gas exchange, basically, I've got the picture here, and I'll show you in just a minute. You inhale and exhale. You inhale carbon dioxide and you exhale. I believe that's how it is. Irregardless, it's between the alveolar spaces and capillaries. Its function in the respiratory system is to exchange two gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide. It takes the carbon dioxide out of your body and breathes it, gets the oxygen flowing into your body. The exchange takes place in 1 million of the alveoli in the lungs and the capillaries that envelop them. Ventilation is the process which air moves in and out of your lungs. So, and there you got the O2 going out, and the carbon dioxide going in and then going back out. So you got O2 going in and going back out, and the carbon dioxide going in and going back out. So it's basically just a breathing process, just a whole big circle. And then we've got the respiratory system, and it says we have to name the structures and the functions. So we've got sinuses, I believe one's here, and you've got, and then you've got some right here, I believe. You got your sinus, your nasal cavity, you got your tongue, your thorax, your trachea down here, I believe. You got your ribs, which are there. You got your diaphragm, which is around the bottom, it looked like when I drew it. You got your right and your left lung. You got your right bronchus and your left bronchus, the esophagus, which is in the back, I believe, thorax and tonsils, which are in the back of your throat. I do have the drawing of that. Gonna kind of get all the functions of the respiratory system in just a second. I'll let you. There you go. The functions, I know the right and left lung help you breathe. The ribs keep the like your heart, your lungs, and all that safe from being punctured. But if you do get anything like punctured wise, it can hurt you. I'm looking. Basically, the respiratory system is a series of organs responsible for taking oxygen, expelling the carbon dioxide out of your body. The primary organs of the respiratory system are your lungs, which carry out the exchanges of gases that we breathe. So like I said, it's all gonna help you get that oxygen in, and the O2, or the oxygen in, and the carbon dioxide out. But anywho, I think that is all that I need to put in my video. If there's anything else, let me know. But that is all for the respiratory system unit on here.